In this video, you are going to see how to make a simple family tree in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to File and go to over here More Themes, and let us write here Family Tree, and you will find various family tree. Let us choose this one and click on Create. Now in this way you can edit the family tree. You can change the picture. Click on right button, go to change picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture, click on insert, then the picture will be changed. Even you can change the name over here. If you want to change the diagram or edit the diagram, go to view and choose slide master, and in this way you can edit the diagram from here. Even you can delete it. Suppose I want to delete this one, press delete, then it will be deleted. Click on close. Remove the images and text from here. So in this way you can edit it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.